Cancer, the next in the Salts of Salvation series that I'm doing. So this sign is related to calcium fluoride. And I'm not talking about fluoride that's dumped into the waterways. This is artificial. It's waste runoff from plastic and industrial production. This is not what I'm talking about. Calcium fluoride is a naturally occurring substance from plants. It grows in vegetables, and then our body uses it to converts it into a form we can use to bring elasticity, stronger bones, this kind of stuff. Okay, so cancer is, in terms of the body, it's related to the breast, stomach, spleen, and elastic tissue. With contraction, expansion, elasticity, and tenacity. That's what this sign's related to. And it's also to physical conception. So what basically happens from calcium fluoride is it feeds the production, growth, and maintenance of cells. And the cells in our body is what helps us, keep living, reproduce in terms of the process of when cells die and die off, they need to be reborn and rebirthed. So that's what happens here. And this is white corpuscles, cells, this kind of thing is what happens in terms of rebuilding the body every day. So again, this is about cancer, but you aren't just a cancer, you have an entire chart. And basically, I created 2 readings. One is it's for astrology, and I called it health lifestyle reading, and the other is human design, which I called health human design reading. And basically they are available through Gumroad, my website, and then I can look at your chart. And now the benefit of this is I can tell you what areas you struggle with based on what's there, what houses and what aspects, what planets, what asteroids, what signs. And that shows where the challenge is and how to overcome it, as well as the areas where you find it easier. And this is all in place of health and how you view health. So that's something I can help you do, and then you can, be at your best health because of these functions being in the right place. So obviously, I like to throw in a little bit of some of the religious texts that have to do with this, because it used to be religion, astrology, and health in the human body were all related, and then over time somehow it got separated. So be ye perfect even as your Father in heaven is perfect. And this basically says that we are perfect when we're not in a deficient state. Now, the foods that are related to this are leafy greens, spinach, kale, broccoli, turnip greens, and green beans. So again, we eat these things, our body uses it and converts it into calcium, which protects our body.